Okay guys, we're going to show you how to change out the cabin filter in a 2015 to, I'm sure, 2021 Chevy Colorado. If you haven't changed your cabin filter, you should do it. We'll see how much dirt it's got. That's how you pop the thing out. You push these two pins in. These, and then this one comes out. The little cover comes out. Remember which way the airflow shows you when it comes out. There's the airflow. Let's see. Oh yeah. Things jam-packed dirt, full of dirt. Here's the new filter side by side. Get maximum air flow. You know, most people don't even know that there's a cabin filter for these trucks. So just take it back, match your airflow direction. So the airflow shows it going this way. Put that back in. Install your cover. Simple as that. Push your box back in and you're done. So spend the 20 bucks, guys. Go get you a filter over at Napa or whatever auto parts place you use. Replace your old dirty air filter. I mean, I've been mostly on the highway, so I mean, you can see how dirty that is. So take the time to change your cabin filter in your cars. They're cheap. It'll keep your AC cooler. It'll have better flow. So stay tuned for another video from Edub.